Kia ora, I'm Steve Chadwick, the Mayor of Rotorua. Well, the big moves are part of our long-term plan and they're the next step, so it's the next chapter of where we're going. And we've signalled some very exciting projects in the big moves and we need your feedback. Let's have a closer look at what we're proposing.
Rotorua is our home, and we are its people. Our vision for this year and beyond is to build on the good work that has gone before. To continue developing and crafting Rotorua as an exciting and attractive place for everyone. For our whānau. For our manuhiri. To drive opportunity, enterprise and diversity. And support a legacy of sustainability for our environment. Mō te katoa a Rotorua. E nāia nei mea pōpō, tātou tātou. Rotorua is a place for everyone, today and tomorrow. We together. We are now preparing to enter the next chapter of our long-term vision, projects known as the Big Moves. The Big Moves will bring together 4 projects focusing on the outer perimeter of the CBD, which will add value for both locals and visitors. Each project will grow and develop over time. Our first project is Tahi, focusing on Kuiro Park with a strong emphasis on family first. Whānau Tahi. The primary goal of this project is to enhance Kuiro Park as Rotorua's premier family destination, with geothermal and aquatic play activities and community gathering spots. Our park telling our story. Second is Rua, focusing on a new look for the Rotorua lakefront. The primary goal of this project is to develop a world-class lakefront experience to support our economy and encourage visitors to return. It will be a unique lakefront experience delivered the Rotorua way. Third is Toru. As guardians of our natural environment, this project will deliver a care program for our unique sanatorium reserve, the 4th largest geothermal habitat in New Zealand. The primary goal of this project is to restore, protect and develop the reserve and set the scene for future ecotourism. And 4th is Whā, a project incorporating ongoing development of world-class whakarewarewa forest. The primary goal of this project is the further development of accessible forest trails and infrastructure with easy access from Rotorua's CBD and its surrounding suburbs. On completion of these big moves, an interconnected trail will loop through all 4, connecting our people, our places, our lakefront, our ecology and our forest. Ko ēnei tō tātou kāinga. Ko tātou ono tangata. This is our home. We are its people. The first steps toward our big moves are upon us. We hope you will join us as we get underway.
Hei aha o whakaaro, what are you thinking?